So the first thing I'm looking at, Jenny, to see if a site is penalized or not, is to search for their name. So this is the law offices of Choi and Associates. So I search for their name. I want to see their website at number one at the top. I
Okay.
also want to make sure that I see the URL, okay, not an internal page. So if this was / something else, then I would know that this domain is penalized, okay?
Gotcha.
But in this case, I don't have that. And then I see their GMB right here on the right side, which is a good sign. And then I go in their website. So let's go in their website. Okay. Now, what I want to look at is their title tag. So I'm opening up the inspection. I'm going to go to the
Oh,
body.
where did you go to get there? Just to view source?
You can go to view and then you can go to tools, web developer, and inspector.
Okay.
Or you can look at page source.
Yeah. Okay. That's what I do. I go to
Yeah,
page source. Okay.
page source is fine too. So this inspector allows me to look at specific elements on the page and find the code right where it is. So I'm looking for the title. You can always search for the title. So if you do a Command F on Mac or Control F on PC,
Yeah.
you can search for whatever you need, like title, and then it will show me the title. But I'm looking at the title, and the name is the name, but I want to see, you were looking for personal injury lawyer, but this website is not even optimized for
Right.
personal injury lawyer. That's probably why you couldn't find them.
Right.
So
So
seeking
that's
justice, one case and one client at a time. So this is what I'm gonna copy this, and then I'm gonna go to the search to Google and search for that specific phrase that they are mentioning in the title. And as you see, they're ranking number one for that long tail keyword, which, I mean, this could be any website, right?
yeah. I mean, that's just like a
Yeah.
logo, like a
Yeah, it's not
sign.
their name. Yeah, exactly. It's not their name, but they are ranking number one. So these two things that we looked at proves to me that they're not penalized. Another thing I can look at to see if they're penalized or not, because these are different kinds of penalization we're looking at. The
Right.
first one was domain penalization, and we figured their domain is not penalized. Then I looked at their website, the homepage, to see if they're penalized for a specific key phrase or their titles. That's not the case. And then the second thing I'm going to do is find a specific content that they have written are part of everyday life in California. So this sentence that they have here, although it's a short sentence, so it may not do what I needed to do, but I want to copy a part of text that does not include any specific information like California or their name. And now I'm looking at content penalization. I want to see if their content is penalized by anything, but if they have copied content from somewhere else. I'm
So
going to
you
create a quotation and put this text inside a quote. And see, they have a misspelling too. So every day is misspelled on their website, which is okay. I'm going to search it the same way that they have it on their website. And as you can see, their website comes up again, number one, although it shows the practice area, which is fine. It's not the homepage, but I want to see if this particular phrase is repeated in any other person's website. In this case, the only other website is their own website. So
that's
on different pages. So I can see that they're not, at least this portion of the text is not copied from elsewhere. So my conclusion here is that their website is not penalized, although they're not ranking for their main keywords, but that just means they haven't optimized it or they haven't done a good job with optimization, one of the two.